So how to add your Wise card to Apple Wallet. So to add your Wise debit card to Apple Wallet, it's very simple to do. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the Wise app and you simply want to select cards right at the bottom here. Then once you've selected cards, it brings you through to this page here, and nice and simple, you just want to select add to Apple Wallet. Then from there, it brings you through to this page here, and nice and simple, you just want to select continue. Then on the next page, it just gives you the terms and conditions, so make sure to give that a read, and if you agree, click agree. Then after you've agreed to the terms and conditions, you'll come to this page here, where you'll get the opportunity to add it as your default card. So this is optional, you can go ahead and make it your default, or you can say not now. And there you have it, and you've successfully added your Wise debit card to Apple Wallet. And if you go ahead and open up your Apple Wallet, you should be able to see your Wise card within your wallet. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.